Hey there, friends. Today, we're diving into a super cool tool called InstantlyClaw. If you're someone who's been curious about using AI, but felt it was too complicated or too risky, this might just be your golden ticket. InstantlyClaw is all about making AI easy and safe, especially if you're just starting out or own a small business. Let's jump in and see what makes it so special. All right, so here's the scoop on InstantlyClaw. Imagine having a magic button that sets up a powerful AI system for you in just 38 seconds. Yup, you heard that right. 38 seconds. No more spending hours trying to figure out technical stuff or worrying about making mistakes. InstantlyClaw makes it super easy to use AI without needing to know a thing about coding or complicated setups. One of the coolest things is that you don't have to worry about security. Everything runs on their secure cloud servers, which means your data stays safe and you don't have to deal with any hackers or tech troubles. Plus, it's a one-time payment of just $37, so no sneaky monthly charges. That's a huge saving compared to other systems that can be really pricey. Now, let's talk about how you can use this in your life. Imagine being able to create content, send emails, or even write reports automatically. That's what InstantlyClaw can do for you. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. You can even sell the AI-generated stuff to clients and keep all the money you make. Here's a fun way to put this to use. If you're a freelancer or run a small agency, you can start offering AI services to your clients without any hassle. With the commercial rights included, it's a fantastic way to boost your income and expand what you offer. So what do you think? If you're looking to make AI work for you without the headache, InstantlyClaw is definitely worth checking out. It's easy, secure, and super cost-effective. Click the link in the description to get access and start transforming the way you work with AI today.